Antarctica is changing faster than ever before. The ice, which has held strong for millennia, is now retreating at an alarming rate. Heat waves, once unheard of, are striking the frozen continent. The question isn't just what's happening there, it's what these changes mean for all of us. Let's explore why this distant land is crucial to our planet's future. Right now, Antarctica's sea ice is at one of its lowest levels on record. Just 3 years ago, scientists observed near-historic lows, and things haven't improved much since. Why does this matter? Sea ice is like the Earth's natural thermostat. It reflects sunlight back into space, keeping the planet cool. As the ice melts, more of the ocean is exposed, absorbing heat and accelerating warming. But it's not just the ice that's disappearing. The Southern Ocean, which surrounds Antarctica, has warmed up to depths never seen before. This warming started around 2015 and has been relentless. The result? The delicate balance of the Antarctic ecosystem is thrown into chaos. Penguins are struggling to survive, and creatures like krill, a vital food source for many marine species, are at risk. And that's just the beginning. Antarctica also drives global ocean currents. When sea ice forms, it pushes cold, dense water down, which flows out and fuels the world's ocean currents. These currents regulate weather patterns and distribute nutrients across the globe. If the Antarctic sea ice continues to shrink, we could see disruptions that affect weather systems everywhere, from droughts in Africa to hurricanes in the Americas. So, what does this all mean for the rest of the world? First, there's the obvious: rising sea levels. As Antarctic ice melts, it pours fresh water into the ocean, causing sea levels to rise. Already, Antarctica loses around 150 billion tons of glacier ice each year, and that number is climbing. Even a small increase in sea levels can lead to severe flooding, erosion, and storm surges, putting millions of coastal homes and communities at risk. But it doesn't stop there. The loss of Antarctic ice could trigger a feedback loop, where warming accelerates even more rapidly. As more ice melts, more dark ocean water is exposed, which absorbs even more heat, melting more ice in return. This cycle could reach a tipping point, beyond which changes become irreversible. We're not just talking about the ice here. The melting could disrupt the entire ocean circulation system. Fresh water from the melting ice makes the sea less salty and therefore less dense, which means it doesn't sink as it should. This change could slow down the global ocean conveyor belt that moves warm and cold water around the planet. If that happens, the impact on global weather patterns and food supply could be catastrophic. The shrinking sea ice spells disaster for Antarctic wildlife. Emperor penguins, for instance, are losing their breeding grounds. Many chicks have died due to unstable ice. The krill population is also at risk, threatening the entire food chain, from fish to seals to whales. If this foundational species collapses, the impact will be felt throughout the ecosystem, including human industries like fishing. What does the future hold? Scientists fear a tipping point is near. If warming continues, massive ice shelves like the Thwaites Glacier could collapse, raising sea levels dramatically. The consequences would be global, affecting millions in coastal areas. But there is still hope if we act now to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and prevent temperatures from rising beyond critical levels. What's happening in Antarctica is not just a polar problem, it's a global one. We need to act now to protect our future. Stay informed, share what you learn, and speak up for change. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's keep this conversation going. Our planet's future depends on it.